Hi there, my name's Ben Fedoruk, and today I'd like to show you an installation guide using my Ubuntu system. I'm running Ubuntu Hirsute, although it'll be very similar among all Ubuntu systems, but it may be slightly different in different Linux distros. I'm just going to assume that it's roughly similar. Ubuntu is one of the most common Linux distributions. So if you're using Ubuntu, this is going to be the instructions. So what you're going to do is you're going to navigate. I'm assuming that you've found your way to our page. If you haven't, it's www.auroraborealis.1/flag.html. Going to hit the download link there. Going to hit save file. I'm just running this in Firefox, but again, doesn't matter what browser you're using. I also want to make note that we do have other tutorials for Mac OS and Windows. So I'll leave those in the description. You're going to click what I just did in Firefox, went to my downloads, open the file. You'll see that I've opened it in Archive Manager, as Ubuntu calls it. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit this folder and hit extract. And I'm going to throw it right into my downloads folder here. So it says extraction successfully completed. If I hit show the files, it'll show me, hey, there's the folder. It's inside my downloads folder, and it has both of the files that we need, which are requirements.txt and flagdemo.py. So I can close out of that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to my terminal here. I'm just going to enter a few times so that I can see it on top of my recording software. So what you're going to do, now that everything's unzipped, you'll notice that when you open up terminal, if you type pwd, it'll tell you what directory you're currently in. So I'm just currently in my main home directory. What I can do is I can change directory into the downloads folder. And then I can change directory into the zip file that we just unzipped using the archive manager. Flag demo. So now you'll see, as you can see there, I've kind of highlighted it there. This is the folder that we're currently in. Wherever you downloaded it, you'll just have to pay attention to that and make sure that you change directory into the correct folder. So now the final step is going to be to initialize. So you only have to initialize once, and then you can run it as much as you want. It'll all be set up. All you got to do is type this command here that we have listed on our website. So it's just pip install -r requirements.txt. I'm just going to hit enter. Takes a brief second here. So as you can see on my machine, all the requirements are already satisfied for me, which means that it skipped all the requirements. Please note that you do need to have pip and Python installed, which you can do through the website. We did list Python 3 over here, so make sure that you have that downloaded. You can just go to Python, hit download, make sure you get 3.9, so just download Python 3.9.5, and it should be a fairly simple installation. So then now, once you've run the pip install -r requirements.txt command, you probably won't see all these requirements being met, so you'll probably have to install them all. Of course, I've already installed them because I've been working on the programs. So the final step to run the program, you're just going to run Python 3. Anytime you want to run it, you just run Python 3 flagdemo.py. Now you have to make sure that you're in the right folder. So make sure that you're in wherever you downloaded the folder, as long as the last one is flag-demo. So once you do that, hit enter and give it a second. And you should see, there you go. You'll see a little icon. It looks like the Python logo, but it's on its side there. At least on Ubuntu, that's what it looks like. I know on Mac OS, it looks like a feather. So there's various different options. And so now you have the flag phase demonstration set up here. I'm not going to actually take you through how to use the flag phase demonstration program. There is a video, and I will link to it in the description, that walks through a sample use of the program. but it is fairly intuitive. So if you want to just play around, you can't do any damage. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.